guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry this video is a couple days late this week, but we've traveled to Minnesota, as you can see by this wonderful white snow behind me, and it's freezing up here. I think it's like 12 degrees. Yeah, it's cold. This short, sweet video is we are giving away a pair of Ridgid B-Series Pro pair of lights. These are the driving beam. I'm looking at these right now. It says 4,752 lumens for this pair, which are pretty cool. These are what I run on my Jeep. They're super bright. They're the Pro Series 2, so they're not just regular dualies. The contest will end next Friday. Make sure you get all your entries in. The link is in the description below. Make sure you go hit that. After you do the original entries, you can come back every day, more entries. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, all my Instagrams. We also have a killer video for you guys next week. We bought a new project vehicle. So I'm sure you guys will see if you go follow all the Instagrams that are at the giveaway. You will see the new Instagram. I'm sure you guys can pick out what it is. There's a photo of it posted. So we will do the full reveal next week. Other than that, thanks for watching. Stay warm because it is freezing here, and I forgot my jacket, of course. Have a great weekend. We will see you guys next week when we are in a car show. So we will have a couple good videos for you coming up. Later, guys.